Guys, it's been a while since I made a new video, and that's because I was working super hard on this new online course. Right here, I'm gonna show you. So this is my new course that's coming out. Look at how bomb it looks. It's gonna come out next week. But if you want to get access to it before next week, then make sure you sign up to the email list. You'll receive a free training along with a lot of good other stuff. So to give you a bit more about the course is going to be about how to pick up girls on the dance floor from A to Z. How do you approach a girl? How do you talk to a girl on the dance floor? It's so chaotic, and then no one knows how to do it. Like, everyone avoids it. And not just the dance floor, but it goes way beyond that. You know, if you become more confident as a person, this is great for you. Because, you know, if you can be confident in one of the most chaotic places of the nightclub, then when you walk through, you know, like when you go back to your everyday life, it's a joke in comparison. I'm really excited for that. And yeah. If you sign up, when you sign up to the email list, you'll also receive a few more emails talking about a bit of my story and how the course came about, how sort of like the origin of Nameless a little bit. I get a little bit more into the details of where it all started. So the email list is mostly for the super fans, those who really like the stuff, want to see more of it. But if you're new here, you might even like it as well, because then you get to know me a bit more on a personal level. So really in that product you got like everything about games. So, you start with like getting ready, before you go out, what you should do before you go out, the mindset, open and hooking, leading, vibing, closing, bonus module right here where I give you my secrets on how to apply all this shit, get better in the long term, sort of the missions. And of course you've got like the infield section, recommended watching that I'm working on right now, which is going to be like the motivation videos and everything like that. And you know the best part about it? Nameless, all rights reserved. Holy shit. Yeah, I actually registered Nameless as a business recently. So we're turning pro, guys. So what you're going to get in the course is you're going to get 2 hours of condensed video, okay? Condensed theory videos, split up in 5 modules that are going to teach you everything I know about games. So, from getting ready, from approaching, from hooking the girl, right? How to get her attracted fast, within like the first minute of meeting her. How to vibe, how to lead her from place to place, which is like really the foundation of all the game here that we're going to teach you, is really leading. Over 2 hours of condensed theory videos, easily digestible content that I really split up in little modules, little lessons. Also, you're gonna get over 3 hours of infield footage. Okay, over 3 hours of broken down, like to explain every single step. So then when you watch that, like, there's no way you will not know what game is. Okay, like you will know exactly what to do, like open, how to hook. Okay, how to lead, you have like clear examples of leading, how you do it, right? How to close, right? How to get all the way to the close. That's 3 hours plus just right there. But on top of that, you also get the infield segment. Now, you remember the open to close, the girl in the shower. Okay, that one. You get that one as well. So that's a total of almost 5 hours of infield footage. You won't run out of content. Really, it's a long program. I think you'll get plenty of it. You will really learn out of it. Okay, I think you're gonna love it. You're gonna stop doing self-help videos. Is it over now? Are you like just gonna be the pickup guy from now on? And the answer is no. I'm gonna start doing self-help videos again, just not for now. I'm planning on doing a lot more POV videos in the future, POV montages. So I'm gonna upload less often, but the times I upload are gonna be much higher quality. On a side note, I'm planning on starting a music channel. Yep, music channel. I'm gonna start playing some guitar right here. Everyone's been asking, hey, you have an 8-string guitar, how come you don't play it? Well, I'm gonna play it, probably in another type of channel, so it's gonna be completely different. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click on the link below, sign up below, click on the link, you put in your email address, and you click on submit. And then you get access to free training along with previews about the course. So you get previews about it before everyone else does. So thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. I'm gonna make myself some cool little coffee and get back to work. So peace, guys.